Hazak u'baruch. Good morning, Morai v'Rabotai. Be'ez Hashem Mincha is going to be 4:15. Please be on time. The halacha that Rabbi Yitzchak Yosef discusses, which is a pretty big chidush, there's a din in the Shulchan Aruch that you're not allowed to take snow and crush it and turn it into water. And Shulchan Aruch mentions the reason for this prohibition. It's an interesting prohibition, is because it's similar to squeezing. It resembles squeezing. Like if you squeeze a fruit on Shabbat, that would be asur. So therefore, squeezing the snow to make ice, to make water, is therefore considered something that is asur. Even though we just finished saying that to make ice on Shabbat is allowed, but there you're taking a liquid and you're making it into a solid in a very passive way. But to take something that's a solid and to crush it and to make it into a liquid, that the Shulchan Aruch says is a problem because it resembles squeezing. However, says Rabbi Yitzchak Yosef, a big chidush, he says that if you have ice in a cup, you're allowed to take a spoon and you're allowed to mix it. Even though your intent and really what you're doing is melting the ice, and therefore it's a form, sort of a form of crushing, he says that is permitted to do. He has a few reasons why. Number one, because it started off as water and then it became ice. And number two, because it's being done in a cup, so it's not, it's already in the water, it's already in the coffee, whatever it is that it's inside, and then you're mixing it. So therefore, Rav Yitzchak says that's allowed. Why do I say it's a big chidush? Because his brother, Rav David Yosef, says it's not allowed. You can't go ahead and take the spoon and start mixing the ice because it resembles crushing, and therefore that would be a problem. So interestingly, the Rav Yitzchak in the Yalkut Yosef and Rav David in the Halacha Be'ura, they have a disagreement on this point. Halacha Lema'aseh, one is permitted to rely on Rav Yitzchak Yosef's opinion and be lenient in such a case. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.